Hello everyone. Today we will learn about another DSA problem, which is finding the minimum eligible age for the marriage. It is a simple problem only, but we will learn about ternary operator in this problem only. Okay. So the problem statement was check couple is eligible for marriage. Girl age should be 18, boy age should be 21. Print yes or no. This is the problem statement they given. So as usual, we will write import java.util.star. It is the base import package we will import every time we will return the Java program. And hello world is the class name, and we are using main function. And this string arguments will help us to take the arguments from the console. Okay. For this string arguments also there is special name called command line arguments. Okay, using these command line arguments, so this is the argument only. Okay, this is the type. So array of string, this is the command line argument data type. Using this command line argument only, we are taking the value from the console. And here, as usual, we are using scanner class to take the values from the console, and we are creating an object called sc. Okay, in this line we are printing a statement like enter the girl and boy. So whenever you execute the program, the first line you will see in the console is this one only, enter the girl and boy age. Okay, after that you will get an empty cursor in which you will give the data like whatever values you want. First is girl name, right? That's why I'm taking um, first value as a girl age. Okay. Second is boy, right? So I'm taking the second value as a boy. So using next in function, I am taking the value from the console into the variable called g. Why next int? Because I want integer variable. If I want another type of data type, I will write sc dot next double like that. Okay, I like that. I taken one value as a girl is and another value as a boy is. Here I am calculating the logic and printing the value in the same line. So this one, even it is looking complicated, it will help very much to write minimalize programming lines. Okay, so I will explain you what all this logic about. So at first, this statement will print into the console eligible for marriage. Okay, that is the statement it will print into the console. After that, uh, it will calculate this whole logic. So I will tell you the syntax of this. The above whole statement will consider into one operator called conditional or ternary operator. Okay, ternary means three. So this is three means this operator is handling three operands. Okay, this is one, two, and this is considered as a three. So what will happen is like the syntax will be first there will be condition like I less than equal to 10. If so, the question mark will come. Okay. Then if it is true, then this t will execute it. Otherwise, the second uh, statement will execute. You understood? If I gave I as 9. So it is true, right? So I less than equal to 10, 9 less than equal to 10. Yes, it is true. Then the first statement will execute it as t. No. In another case, I gave I as 11. So I 11 less than equal to 10 false. So the second statement will be executed. F. Hmm? In this way only this ternary operator will work. So what is happening here? Let me tell you. So the first what we are doing, uh, this is the condition G. If girl age is greater than equal to 18 and boy age greater than equal to 21, then print yes, otherwise print no. You understood? So what I am telling, if G is greater than or equal to 18, so the girl age can be 18 also. See, the girl age should be 18, so it need not to less than 18. So it can be equal. Great. If girl is greater than equal to 18 and this is the end operator, then boy age is greater than or equal to 21. If this whole condition is true only, this S will executed in the console. Otherwise, no will executed. Okay, and you will may get confused with the brackets and all. I will tell you why. Why? Because uh, let me take this one and this one. Okay. So what is happening basically? This is the println statement, right? So after this, it is considering all the statement as a variable only. You understood? Either it will consider as a string variable or integer variable. It is considered as a one only. Okay. So if I wrote like this, uh, without any brackets like this, G greater than or equal to 18 and B greater than or equal to 21 question mark, all this you can write in the within the function. Okay. All this you can write within the function only. Okay. But you can't write within the uh, system.out.println. That is the reason we are putting uh, one one bracket here and one bracket here, so that system.out.println statement can consider whole line as this one, the whole line as one argument, something like this. Okay. See what I cutted is this statement only. So this statement, see, above and below is same. So this statement is same. You can write in the if function, but if you're writing in the system.out.println, make sure you will add this type of bracket before and after the logic. Okay. You can get another doubt why second bracket came. This bracket is for system.out.println only. Okay. See, let me cut this. So you understood, right? Um, this bracket is for this condition, and this another bracket is for the system.out.println. This ending one and starting one, right? You can get doubt like what is this another second bracket in no. Let me clarify. So let me cut this statement until here. So no, as of now, you saw for no, we are having only one bracket, right? So I'm cutting this one. What is there? So another bracket was for system.out.println. So don't go confused. If you accustomed to this way of writing, it will be easy for you in interviews and all. Okay, simple. Let me write you in front of you. System.out.println. Okay, first you will write eligible for marriage statement. Okay, this is the statement you want to print. Then you will get another variable. So all the statement we are treating as one variable, right? That's why you are getting two brackets. Okay, then another bracket you need to put for println statement. Okay, in this you are writing the condition. What is the condition? If G greater than equal to, means the girl is greater than equal to 18 and with end operator. If boy is also greater than or equal to 21, then as print they are eligible for marriage. Otherwise, the second statement will execute. Okay, that's it. See, no more other places. To here, you understood, right? So, what will happen in our above case? Is they eligible for marriage? No. Then they will print no. They will check the condition. Is girl is above 18? Yes, she is above 18. Is boy is above 21? No, boy is not above 21. As this is the end operator, the end operator you will know it. If both are true only, it will be true. Okay. If anything was false, let's say any means um, the first or second operator will be anything, but any of operator will be false, then it will be false. This is the end operator. So obviously it will print no. So this is the thing you will see in the console output. Enter girl and boy is 18, 21 eligible for marriage. Yes. So that's it for today.